Honda Superbike CBR1000RR SV Edition or CBR FireBlade with suggested retail price 1,600,000. A MotoGP race DNA style and looks pa lamang, talagang super sulit na. Inline for 1000cc displacement, throttle by wire, grabe, super loaded ito mga idol. At kita naman po na kanyang pormahan, very premium ang mga components na nilagay dito. Well, meron tong Brembo ABS, traction control system, quick shifter, selection of ride modes at power selector. Ganun katindi to mga idol. Plus Ohlins suspension mga idol, harap at likod naka Ohlins to. Ang maximum power nito 214 HP, maximum torque 113 Nm. Super solid ang performance. Of course, yan po ay may top speed na 299 km/h. Honda CBR FireBlade. Kurso natin ba to idols? Siyempre PM lang kayo at subscribe